Hi, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we just want to sit down and just give you an idea of where we're hoping that this channel is going to be moving going forward. So we're now well established in 2023, and as such we decided it was just time to have a bit of a change. Now you've probably already seen from my Instagram page and also from the community section of the channel that we are now no longer called Team Ballylough Classics, but have since changed our name to CooperSTraveller. So we have this for a few different ideas. Well, first of all, Team Ballylough Classics came from whenever I was competing in auto testing, and I wanted to give my auto testing team a bit of an identity. So Team Ballylough Classics came up with Ballylough being the area that I was living at the time, and the name just kind of carried with me as I moved house. So that was the main reason. I no longer live in Ballylough, and it was maybe a little bit confusing for some people as well. For my non-Irish viewers out there, Ballylough can be quite difficult to pronounce and spell, so even trying to find us on the channel and on the socials may have been proving difficult for some people. So hence a second reason why we want to change the name to something a little bit easier and that rolls off the tongue a little bit easier as well. So those are the main reasons why we wanted to change. So as well, over Christmas, I've kind of been looking at the analytics of the different videos, just seeing what is popular, what you guys are wanting to see, and what is interesting to you. So I've been listening to that as well. And I think this year, moving forward, there'll be very little, if at all any, show reports. I do enjoy doing them, but I don't really get to enjoy the shows. There will be content going on Instagram in the form of maybe the odd reel and photos, but I don't think I'll be making any long-term or longer videos on those. Perhaps maybe just the mini shows. So that is one thing. I kind of just want to enjoy attending the car shows with the CooperSTraveller, which brings me on to the car itself. So I really enjoy using the CooperSTraveller. I really enjoy having adventures in it and do a little modification to it. So that's where I'm going to be concentrating on. So the ideas will be any little bits and pieces that I get for the Traveller. I'll document what I'm doing. Even something as simple as doing a service or something, just documenting my adventures with that car and the journey that we're traveling on together. So that's kind of what I want to concentrate this video on. So I know a load of you guys really enjoy the Viewers Drives series, so that isn't going anywhere. We're still going to be doing the Viewers Drives. There are so many really cool minis here in Northern Ireland that I really want to film and to document and get them out on the channel here for you to enjoy. Also further afield, with my viewers overseas, I really want to hear from you as well. If you want to send me a few videos of your mini, or want to contact me through the socials, we can arrange something, and I'd love to show your minis here as well. So I really want to showcase what we have, but I really want to concentrate on what amazing minis we have on this tiny little country that I call home as well. So there's a load more of those coming up. I have quite a few in the pipeline, and there won't be regular appearances, but we will keep rolling them out as and when I have time to edit them. So that'll be that. They'll still be concentrating. So I want to concentrate, like I say, on the mini and on the Viewers Drives. Unfortunately, the project Metro will be the last project which will come out under the Team Ballylough Classics banner. There are still a few videos still to do on that car. That car is almost finished, and we're getting it ready for MOT very soon. So yeah, maybe a couple more videos coming out on that car, and they will be the last under Team Ballylough Classics. So from going forward from now, all branding and all livery will be CooperSTraveller, and we have a new logo to show as well, which will pop up on the back of this video as well. Another thing, if you've been following on my Instagram, you'll probably have seen on my stories I'm collecting some mini parts. So these are for a project I really want to do at some point. I don't have a car as yet. I'm just collecting parts for it. I don't know how long it's going to take to compile all the parts together. My idea is I want to have all the parts sitting that I can do a blitz project on the car when I get it. Bring the car in, do whatever work it needs done, add all the bits that I want onto it, and get out and enjoy it. So the basis of this project will be a replica of my dad's autographs mini from the late 70s. I'll stick a picture up on the screen here of that. So this little black and yellow Mini was my dad's when he competed in the Northern Ireland autograph circuit. I think maybe 1978 and 79 seasons. He maybe correct me in the comments if I'm wrong on that. But yeah, the idea is to make a road going version of that car that I can compete in auto testing again and do the odd retrospective rally in. Just a bit of a B-road blaster type idea. I want to keep the specs mostly secret for the time being. I do have an engine sitting right over there which I want to build, which hopefully, if you guys are interested in it, we can do a little build series on building that engine as well. I'm no mechanic. I really enjoy doing the mechanical side of things. I may do things maybe not 100% the way every mechanic will do it, but it's the way I find I like to do it. So yeah, this will not be an instructional type series at all. It's just something I'm doing. So yeah, there's a lovely little engine sitting over there which I've had for quite some time that I really want to build as well. It won't be the same spec as my dad's car, but yeah, it'll be something rather special indeed as well. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you know where we are, where we're moving forward. It's time for change. Team Ballylough Classics has been on the go for many years now, and yeah, we just felt time for a bit of a reshuffle and a rethink and come out again really fresh and new. And as you can see as well, the garage is a lot tidier. I've done a lot of work here in the last couple of weeks getting things tidied up and things in the place, and my car cabinet, trophy cabinet behind me here, and I've got some more wainscoting done in the garage and the wall here, pictures up, and I've moved my wall art and so on. So it's a much fresher feel in here as well to work on. So yeah, big change here for the channel. Well, I just want to thank everybody who has supported us as Team Ballylough Classics from day one through until now. We've had a load new subscribers over the last 6 months to a year, so I'm really grateful to everybody who has joined on and to follow my journey here. And yeah, hopefully you'll all continue to follow us and support us here as we go forward as CooperSTraveller. And yeah, hopefully as well with a newer name, which hopefully will be easier to find, we get more and more new subscribers coming on to this and yeah, follow us on our adventures. So yeah, there's a very quick video, yeah, just to let you know and give you an update of where we are. And yeah, hopefully there'll be some projects and little upgrades coming in the next few weeks as well. And yeah, really looking forward to where we're going with this. So thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you very soon.